Esa mo akwa ba bi ebugusu e bedwem na Dom TV Multi TV so ebra so said asem kese ebro make out say down for diabetes and the mixture all other roma and this an kita dey we edebro open products na bi ata do nature na na bo acho kan shi drug lane or kan shi drug lane so Kings Walk e ho house na Kumasi Freddie Mensa na Colina takwa the A Mensa Market Circle Bogoso Unique Herbs and More takwa owase bi do fie oboase Smart Herbal Sunyane Mosaic Pharmacy and Green Light Pharmacy Ebiana Person Dr. Arsenal na Mama Ruby Kasa number 02078721155 and 0246493230 now anyone needs also. Adape additional common and ibedi and of key essence ebribia da yankwada won wo JHS oni peje omwako SHS a share da ho se obia no ni no suku apeso oko na additional to aso apeso unya no wo anya saa akwanche no na wo anya saa hunumu na se okutusu wie chire be wie na ho asem akoye basa bo se be me ko for ba school na oba so ko for meme school na course mpo apeso akoye no obo se na ebi ni suku apeso oko ene ho nsem no pi computer placement omo ba pena se ebra so se nkwala bra won peki omo suku na nche bia omo tro omo so na results na ba no ho nkomo ana ebidi rata bwatene panyin pa oda eye se adwo ko na rata bwatene fisha pa kwa abaso
nkomo te
bibia boko
nyame adom na so
emu go adwuma so
eguso wani edusa media
na upia wiase dia sa obekazi ekusi empia ba upia wiase za asem ko I see dia na eba biem
mama ahwefo nyina achi so hwe school placement nhyehyɛ na emredru se student bia na se BEC candidate bia eyi school so na that me opeso to one school so a obekɔ ho then yes school no kwa no obefa course so a oku school mo a okwa abɛti nti ene na wayek ebie ho kwan se etimi yes ade no ene nti free na kopim 30th April ena sa yiwe ebekɔ so nti schools ni nyina wayek amom booklets na ombehwe schools no yatechem your option 1 option 2 option 3 option 4 option 5 nti hwa schools na options no na just wayi mu 9 na wodi aba na edi aye adwuma
nti uko school bia ne dey sa nkrata ne gu a ye behwem ne amaye ma wonu fi GHS akọ SSS
no ombehwem na nyese awofo no ejaima students no nko na as teachers no so ejaima students nko we ye adwuma aye se teacher fo ne school fo no ne omawofo esa awofo pe adaje at this time no omo ne omo matena se no omo tu omo fo omo busebusa omo ahoden de omo betimi aye because opeso by doctor samri na eso omo wani ko ho because course okwa akoye no secondary school ehia pa opeso ye doctor eso okoye science opeso okoye business eso oye bank manager and accountant eso ye business lawyer ne ho nko general ni nyina so ho nti
no ho school obekọ
school no so okono so hwe se school no omo yade o science omo yade o business omo yade o arts visual arts ni nyina eso ni akware tenase na mo utunifo so unti collaborative work teacher ni awofo ni students ni nyina na che say ansa na akwan beka say schools 9 way na mpesa mefa ene course am pesa me koye ni no na che say wonim say che say warishimu say di okwa akoye nda che betim di na sibe
baba schools 9 so ba edri sabria na mpesa awofo ni wona ehwe mofra wona OGHS ni nananom no mu nyina motimi di madwo nche ba because eba say no ebeba nwa na 30th April abeso na etwem ko afi ye ko fan so hwe ne abawi a ne ye beka se mo amomode mo anyi asotiri timi se openim die bi a opa kwanche bi a osu di susue bi ba ira taboaten e wa amsi bomodiana na frey on 0302 211701 up to 4 computer placement penyipa ana e wa amsi na ne senti ne se ne o se akwanya beda o wa ekfo ma sa tumi no the free sabre ko April ending badano school 9 on betusu no e ho komo na shase free na ekoya nti awfo a teacher for enkwada obi a wo so mata bia wo special interest bia se bisa na akwanche bia no ana adwinche bia no fabre na ye ni specific nkomo aba ye madachi ye ma adisua ene na di omo dachi be di mu na awie peyo sa nkomo no ana ye di one 0302 211 701 up to 4 sa school 9 no mu yinde ti mu school
9 school 9 na we no nse se de ade necessity nse ye omodembo ene be kire se school na wafa no bina into first school so 9 se de be ya wanya wo hyehye jo pepper na de kan na de
say
when ya we ya na sa kopim the fourth school enti say computer no so yan say o modern mo na ebia school abefa no ahoden no bia no ahoden no ho a na je say de about second mo san akopre wo second choice no enti say no so anya ya na de about third say de about fourth
okay
enti say o modern mo no so ani wo say schools na bia na je say about betom na so nya say wa fail nya say wo nya school but ya displace o
okay
into what will happen say be sign second placement na je say wo so wonya akwanya
no wo kwan say Fransa Santimantem ebi ana Bromantem kwa me fa Suyan secondary ma fa Tachima secondary na ma fa Ebrekum secondary na ma sa fa Wanchi secondary schools nine na ma kwa za me fa o bia baako
ewo ejina options na ewo mu no na say won say registration ni no ye wo 30% and ye wo 70%. 30% na kire say ebia wo te say wote Ashanti region pese o pese schools a atwa wo ho efe bi 16 kilometer radius ho say schools na pese okọ wo de wo pese obefa school baby yakọ baby a nti ye na friend 30%.
okay enyina hane enko boss mbra ma che mi na pom di say koto akoto boko de
nyame adom no so
nyame adom boko yeti o
okay what me person ka me bisa ye bro na ocho no se bi I want to say so sheets no mo so mo dia ba no based on the placement no 1 2 3 4 5 but you check key school near preschool back we come high school but you share all the options in there and if you wanted to know where those kind of schools are
okay
whether it be option 5 option 6 and that's option 7 and that's be a 9 and that's a 10
okay options no patro then to us options no Oshema Kumasi High School name sanity
Kumasi High School name but when be so much easy
okay all right yeah that's it yan komra ube yano benada money match upon design
Opani ka se yankopo kusu shama ami ka se de oyo na
amen yan koso
na boko tin penso na pa ti me chiano opani sama mo de papa ya bet na o ka ni tun pa o he school na o first no enkura no ekutu so enkura na ntimi school crown for both to me top schools no ebia of a prempe no akofo was no akofa high school e be do on go say yentimi emu bia no entimi faro na akra na koka bi nti so motumi ama awofo no ne teacher for no munnim sa ne ma no e be kire o dia ene na ekonya no eye pass on bitimi aye san se na e be fle computer no so no e ya no nta hu ma ni din no don't or the be ma din akwakoye o be din de hono so mo hwe no mo nya ko dwuma ma e pa big na mo ni makra
okay yenyina dunkwa mo am busa asem na ebe yi mo no yenyina dunkwa ye ne Oscar enkasa wi Oscar mache
ye friend Mr. Oscar na pro ba kwa ya na school no ye fit ni say we are teachers no it was fun dey ni say school we share book na ye ni say school we omo course we school omo course we na say don't say school we no no born what dey our science omo what dey our art ni sa subject ye him and I think exams number SSC exams number or think you say schools no omo grading mine region by region say region we no school na born what dey we na twat or so na dey say the be ya o ye selection na we shall have fun more than more our class no bit me place in our school be our person inquiry
okay
then I had the information
all right yeah that's it yenyina ha na the Edika high school ni ho
insert said na make schools no ya hyehyɛ no options high school be option 3 and also option 2 on him schools na doors pa option 3 kwa is almost 82 schools
okay
option 2 so yeah almost 120 or so into schools na doors
okay
Kumasi high one
okay right and number 2 was say computer na madi time na memory time na madi say madi time na mema
yeah na dey say first pa na computer placement ni shase say between 2005 and 2008 no and na sanya ma no etakọ so but see ya software use ni dey sanya ma no kra ma ho kwan
all right
eni na da bia ma akwanya say ye ba be placement obi a betimi a text na udin new schools afa nyina be ba phone so na wo hu sampa udin ni na schools a wo komuni so sanya ma ni nyina with time no ye year free na papa ba ko na class bia na ye yipa ade a ya discuss ya so senka afi bia na senka wayek the performance of the schools. So until free be league table. Na idea me fan say omuni Ministry of Education GES twetwe ho nkomo. Say mrabe ma ho kwan say ye betimi access school bia performance na ya publish ya. December nti nya de say but idea me fan say omoto adwen ho nti minim say mrepam no bi pa betimi afiri maba.
Okay, but no besides say anka schools so omoye science omoye as omoye business nka more that specific action so there was a high school omoye pure as
and say ohwe booklet ni nyina wo nti courses ni a list nti so onye course na bo na ye de aibia to
ye go tell me na same ma chia point say
nyamadom na hoye
okay
na mpaga mo so
nyamadom ya chia po wa etio
yo wodi mes mefa kwanya ma meba be challenge abran isibia trinkwa say ono so kwanya to ho say ono so kwakoye so hebi afi Good Avenue School Accra na meda panyi na se say afi we want this akwanya aba na mpempi no aya na niame mpe wofo ne ha ne say sanya no bi kan business school ni bi wo a unu say papa enso be hu say bia ni nyina wo sa category 1 won aka bia mesibe mi pese ka mechusu the bit say Wesley Girls Holy Child. But me now category 1, which means say so to suit Wesley Girls are only other options say Obana Betinia call Holy Child. Now says the next option. If this one comes so what am pay Evia Kuenya Wesley Girls no nya via Holy Child. There's a possibility say Obetimenya a minimum bia a honso ye e ma me ban. A one idea must be for say a high end. Okay. But you know no be fanes no say father ko yi nyina so drinkwa.
All right. You Ashaven yetio
Oma in Patrick to say,
Yamado Boko.
Mammy Chapona for Jamie Town, a deputy system like it. Oma in person be someone say, who's a Mimia at last year. Now, be a school I would choose you, on what you send for your sign. I didn't go by all with never to school here. Oma in it, there's a science in the Crabino, or and I make us a crab blow of Belepano. Dimestre mine ko bit much in the area self for that course we no bit to school near about to not course ni wona
okay
but say hard and no say no bit my bibia dia fa won my
okay yenyina tachi man any so true we na fi wa boy no yi no yata boaten so to good morning upon say tachi man boko there
nyamado boko
nyamado nka ha nsuo na ato boko
say ajumpan pramote the crisis in my dream. I mission in school. I said, I'm going to university. I made the same national service. I'm going to be in school. We will mind on one tunnel. But yeah, one day, sir. Now, school, I mission came over to SS JSS near one. We managed to do North, Canasco, Damasco, rather. All the 3 schools in the North. Now, computer placement, we don't call your so when you're 14. Come on, to the first case, so I've been when you're West 14, or the one to first, you know, to control last case. We have since schools, a family, family basis. I can't afford. That is the condom for other almost say almost find a total of factors in Guadalajara on my panel. I can't afford in down south. I know we do say first case now, or the Cathedral would do, let's see, a crano or the crisis in the womb. But you see the 3. Then second, third, in and no. Then it's 2014. Everyone the first case.
Okay.
So we go to last case or down south.
All right.
I can't afford the fee.
Yeah, that's it. Now maybe Boama you'll be able to afford. And look at the I said, but the already issue. But most work for more explaining. It's not about say when you Max Papa. I don't think so. Because I'm not saying who said yes when you're 6 and when you're 7 when you're 8. Name of course now often competition now a war
face. So the there be out my for school bit is a presec. Any example. Presec can bit mania about 700 students throughout the country. Person science or presec in Kwa.
The 100 days are here.
Presec obetimia for 50. The
next will be also 6, 7, 6, 7, 8 for the moment crowd. 8 for the
6 for no crowd. On when you 6 no so max ankasa wunyai
okay apart from 6 your other max there for
tio the say obi kuta 7 kura ne max bitimi aso achen obi okuta 6 ntu behwe na obi kuta aggregate 7 enso ye frɛ bibi wo raw mark na ye say o modern mo ankasa English utwa asen maths utwa asen science utwa asen because ye go school mi obetimi atwa 85 years wanya wan obetimi atwa 90 ono nso anya wan na ni nyina ye pe
dabi
anya pe so nti wo keka ni nyina bom ni ye fa saa 6 subjects na utimu ze obi kuta 7 na ne de so chen obi owo 6 enti se ye ko pe omo ombekwa akoye science for preseka sa nipa 50 no obetimi anya 7 nso no qualify enti afi we sa nyema we afi we mze Ministry of Education ni GS ene WAEC ye nhwema hu ze ese ya publish raw marks no enti afi we se me fancy ye wie bibia na okoje wo placement form na ze WAEC results na marks ne be hye ho English utwa asen ye be display maths utwa asen ye be na ye ze wo hu ze obi wo ho obetimi anya 1 obetimi anya 2 yamfa bibi te se ICT MPP na no omubo omhodin ba enti obetimi anya 80 ICT na wanya 1 sorry no wakwa akonya 2 obibi so betimi anya 60 wo English na wakwa akonya 1 so enti at the end of the day so ko fa marks ni nyina na kambo mu 6 subjects no utimu se obi wa wanya bia 1 2 1 2 so na the marks no was pa
okay
obi so no wanya 1 kwa
ansana April be end no ahihye be kwa wie no ebe ko so akaka ye ho but ma wo fonti bibi ma cheche fonti man kwada nti bibi na fi se bibi ahya ase nyina ya me ni nko e ko wi ase tron so no wi a ika bi kire nyina
nti the message ni say awofo at this time minimisa na adaje ni ho papa enso omompemre na omonko omo school mu ho nse me wo fa asefo bi no mo twere afi me angasa na no pe me ko school mu no so I want to be part of it ko na ko hwe said the on hyehyɛ oni teachers ne nkasa ono oba ne ntenase na mo nkasa na mo hu de akra no opɛ empempi na unse me pese oye we so na bia nya na infra akra na kuma ebi so na ho de
bi o ma ho de wo
very good and na schools no so nye say school no uko Wesley Girls tintinchina ye say ubako Wesley uko Holy Child na so uko prem da bi and na schools ni bia ba omo bom ho modern omo bom ho modern pa uko hwe university application university admissions na hwe ba bi ebi no free ba utimi so omo ya de pa so nti omo open space no kakra na omo hwe options e wo ho na omo moa omo man because e omo dache
okay you are about be dase ba de be sere enim se oni adaje e bra no ansa na April be end no wadom ye na wabade nkyerɛkyerɛ ne nkaye na abasa akopem se ebewie abase na awofo no gye adi se ntempa omekeka akire omo ho na yetimi akọ na monhwe mon krata no je because schools do na ebi ni mu so ampa se ebia na oversight dia na mo rectify it quickly obi won so amon koso ma addition nko se minya 6 esi me pepesek manya presek ti sa raw score na mo ka wan se mo mind titie ni yi intimate e ho ase e da se pi well ebra so say Gfax father remind ago kensi e be adam je ai krado okọ no akogirem kuma se asante kotoko me free ho de ko aduana but my tese omo bo mo de na no da omo ko omtu kwan ko bo Algeria sa so na Accra House fu komo de nye ma omo so ma tese wo bo mo de is aduana ene mediema e ho na makogina Olympics so bo mo de me pege mu kakra abeta o machi ye kwa ba